In this video, I'm going to share the best indicator for scalping that is available on TradingView. And the good part is that this indicator is completely free to use on TradingView. And this indicator basically it has two type of jobs. It provides you the dead overbought and oversold levels on the market. And the second part is it provides you a lot of scalping opportunities, especially when the markets are in the normal conditions. And I will explain you that how you can make the maximum profit just by using this single amazing tool, and you can delete other indicators from your favorite list because this is the very good job done by the author on this indicator. So guys, before I jump into this video, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. My private indicators, premium indicators are listed on our website, and this is my bestseller, the big players indicator, that automatically tells you about the next levels where the market is going to play into the direction. So this is the big players, and this is our recent launch. And the second indicator is the bank levels indicator. This is also very famous in my community, swing trading guru. And the third part is that if you are willing to join 1 hour market maker coaching session with me, which is based on the bank's techniques, that how banks actually trade in the market. So you can book the session for with me, and you can use the option for Telegram. You can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is provided in the description of this video below, and you can also email us. And the good thing is that on the website I have provided the banner to the best broker. If you are trading forex and if you are trading crypto and you have broker problems, then join this broker, because this is the broker that I'm using from 2015, and this is one of the highly reputed brokers available on the trading market. Okay, so you can just click on get started and you can open your account with that particular broker. Okay guys, so let's delete this indicator and we will reattach it. And once we are going to the trading view, we will go to the indicator section here, and here we will write GRAHN, Grahan. Okay, so when you write Grahan on trading view, then this indicator will come, that is called Grahan Gailini Cores Alerts, and the name of the author is Ellen Stir. Okay, and you can see this indicator is getting very famous, and we have 1708 likes on this indicator. Okay, so first of all, we don't actually require to change any settings, because the setting is the by default that I have tested, they works very well. Okay, so how to use this indicator? The indicator is very simple. So first of all, you can see we have the top green line here, and that green line represents the overbought levels of the market. Okay, where we can play our sell positions. Okay, and when we talk about the red levels, the lower red levels in the market, then this represents the dead oversold levels of the market. Okay, okay, now what you can do, that's very simple. Okay, just by playing at this band, it could be a little bit risky, because you can here catch couple of candles or might be one candle, two candles. But if you're planning your trade at these zones, like this was the better area to take a sell position, and we can have a very good risk to reward ratio in that case. For example, if you're trading after this rejection, you are setting up the stop loss at the previous high, and then let's see that how much we are able to catch. You can see approximately 1.86, and market even went down to target the oversold level, so this becomes more than 3 ratio. So overall, this is perfect if you can use and handle it wisely. Okay, so for example, let me see, like if you just look at Great Britain pound JPY, then proper overbought levels will be here. Okay, so then on the bounce of these bands, if you are planning your sales from here, this could be a much better option. But let's say if you are planning in the middle, then just you need to understand that do not consider the trending markets. Like for example, here the market was simply trending down, so you can skip such type of situations. If the markets are playing in the middle, then for example, you got a one bullish candle from here, you can plan your trade just on the break of these levels. But again, the same thing, that the dead oversold levels are here. So always protect your trades with the proper stop loss, then it is going to help you. Okay, just look at this situation. If we just look at here, that's the complete trending market into the upward direction. Now just imagine that how you can make money in that trending market, because you can see you got only 1 to 2 candles and then the price is pumping up. Okay, then in that scenario, if you want to use that indicator, then there is another solution. I'm going to point out the rules here, like the first band and the middle band, the yellow band. Okay, so keep on, if you find the market trending, so keep on buying from the retracements from these bands. Now you can see your trading activity is much better than before. Instead of selling, you will be buying with the market, and you know very well that the dead overbought levels stay at the top. Okay, so let me find. Okay, here you can see the market is not trending, so you can play here, you can sell here, you can buy here, you can buy here. Okay, you can sell here. This is how you can play. But where you see a trending market like this, then follow my advice, then use the indicator in a different way, like this on the retracements from the moving averages. You can see it's working very fine. Okay, and when you see that the market is changing the trend, you can simply skip that one. Okay, so if you are not dealing with the trending market and you are just dealing with these bands, they are all okay. But again, remember one thing, that if you are going to use any indicator, always use it wisely, because the blind with just blind trust putting on the indicator, this is not a wise approach. You should go with that. Okay, just look at this, the technique that I have given you. You can see on the touch of the second, the middle green yellow EMA, you can see the market is almost getting the downward pressure most of the time. And you can see here I'm putting more blocks so that you can see that this is working very, very fine. Okay, so trend in the trending market, use this method. Otherwise, if the markets are not trending, then you can use the other method that I have shown you for the quick scalping. Okay, so guys, this is the free indicator. I have told you each and everything about it. And moreover, if you want to book my private indicators, if you want to join the best forex and the crypto broker, just go to my website fxmentorus.com, click on get started. And if you want to contact us through Telegram, email, WhatsApp, then you can use the contact us option from our website. Thank you very much for watching this video.